Hi friends, let me show you this new stainless steel auto water dispenser. It is really useful if you have pets like dogs, cats, horses, chicken, any kind of pets or farm animals. So they will have always fresh water auto dispensed by this system. It will fill up to 2 gallons of water and it will auto dispense when the pets use the water. Okay, let me show it to you. It comes with all the accessories that you need to put it together, to set it up. Let me show you. You get this hose to connect it, this brush to clean it, extra connection and Teflon tape to really make sure the connection is leak proof, some screws and anchors if you want to install it not in the floor but in a wall in different heights in the wall. You have these anchors to put it in the wall depending on the kind of animals that will use the dispenser. Okay, so easy to use. Let me show you how you are going to connect it. We have the provided hose. We are going to connect it directly to our water dispenser, and to connect the faucet to the hose to the actual faucet, we're going to use this copper connector that it was provided with the water dispenser. Okay, first you want to connect the copper end to the water faucet. Let's do it. We want to use 2 plastic rings so water won't leak from the connection. Okay, now we're going to connect the hose. And we're basically ready. The water dispenser has this hole in the bottom with this plastic seal. So if for any reason you want to drain it when it's installed in the wall, you can get rid of the plastic cap and clean it. Okay, we're not going to put it in the wall, we're going to put it in the floor because my pets are small. And let's try it. So we are going to open the water faucet and we're getting water in the water dispenser. Okay, Milo is already willing to drink the water. Choco is also here. And the water will stop filling when it reaches 2 gallons. And it is ready for pets to use it. Okay, we have water here. When the pets use the water, it fills again automatically. Okay, so pets can drink the water and fresh water will come out from the water supply, but it will stop filling when it reaches 2 gallons. So you always have the exact amount of water and your pets always have fresh water. So if you have pets or animals, any kind of animal like a horse, chickens, dogs, cats, and you want them always to have fresh water, this water dispenser is a great option for you. Thank you.